the East African community and the East African community that Right Honorable Raila Odinga takes the seat. To this end, we very much appreciate the support of our neighbors and those across the continent who have extended their support to Right Honorable Raila Odinga. We are also encouraged by the personal efforts made by our party leader to win the seat without relying entirely on the endorsement by the state. And we are committed to reach out to friends and fellow leaders out there in support of our leader's bid. The meeting also strongly welcomed the efforts of our country, Kenya, to back Honorable Odinga. We agree this is not a partisan political issue, but a matter of national pride and image. We are united on this. As a coalition, we are committed to stay united and stay the course of holding the KK regime to account and to fight for the rights and dignity of the people of Kenya. In that regard, as we support Honorable Raila Odinga for the AU position, we will also support the right of Kenyans to an affordable living, lower taxes, and a functional economy that guarantees decent livelihoods. End of statement, and I thank you.
Okay. Thank you. Just perhaps mention that our sister, Honorable Mother Karua, traveled to Dar es Salaam last night. Should have otherwise been here with us. We have our apology. Thank you. Well done. Kuna swali?
My name is Emmanuel Toff from KTN News. Just two questions. The IBC boundary reviews is expected to happen this month, according to the Constitution, but we have a crisis, some sort of. What would be your position on how we can get out of this and do that time?
We actually dealt with